What's up, guys? It is the finale of the M5 build. Let's roll some footage. In retrospect, that's a lot less work than I'm used to doing on a build, but hey, the price was right, so I'm okay with that. Let's go get Chelsea. All right, Chelsea, your dream car awaits. We thought about driving to the mountain, but there's just been a little bit too much snow lately, so we decided to head out to the beach. Focus ST power. Oh, we should do our exhaust cutout. See if we can make our exhaust loud. Open, neutral. I'm a child. It's hilarious. We have 6 more cylinders than him. We have a full other sports car in here. So we were thinking about heading to the mountain for this fun day out in the car, but there's just like way too much snow and stuff going on out there. So we're gonna head to the beach. There's some great driving roads on the way to the beach. So we'll head out there and I'm gonna show Chelsea how to drive on some of those roads, and then we can see if there's any places to do a little hooliganism and have a good time. What's up to whoever's in this Focus ST behind us? It seems like he's having some fun. We're out here on this road. I think it's called Hebo Road. It connects kind of like the capital of Oregon to the beach, and it's one of the windiest, craziest driving roads that I know of. So I figured what better place to teach Chelsea about the car and how to drive it. This should be fun. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, so handbrake off, foot on the brake. Okay, now you push the car over into drive, and you'll see drive on the dash, and pull out when you're ready.
It's fast. Okay. Doing that.
So that lurching that you're feeling, that's the car automatically shifting gears for you. And it's a little bit jarring, and that's what I was telling you about the gear shifting. Okay, Chelsea's basically got her bearings down. There's a car in front of us. Let's see if she can catch up to him. She got him too fast. we might have to stop. All right, we pulled over to let the guy go away.
I see it.
Good luck, buddy. We'll catch you soon. All right, we got a good stretch of road here. I'm gonna go ahead and show Chelsea about how to work the paddle shifters. She's never had a manual car in her life, so she's still understanding RPMs right now. But okay, so we're in first gear. Go ahead and get started. And you know the paddle on the right is shift up, the paddle on the left is shift down. And yeah, give it some beans. Probably shift. Yeah, you can shift there.
Okay.
And again. Teaching her how to shift casually first, obviously, rather than redlining it out. And I'd say like you could shift up again right here. And what are we in? We're fourth now, so now you're pretty much in the cruising gear for these roads. You can go really, really fast in fourth gear and you can handle driving pretty slowly. So that's it. Chelsea just informed me that this is like her least favorite type of road to drive, so I didn't know that. I might go ahead and drive for a second, who knows? All right, it's my turn to drive. I haven't showed Chelsea M Sport mode yet, but that's what we're in right now, and I put the exhaust cutouts on, so it's a little bit louder. So let's go over all the pricing and how much this build cost. It was a very, very, very cheap build, and that's why I started calling it kind of the budget M5. So we originally found this car. A friend of TJ's, the CEO of Throttle, wrecked it. He bought it, and when he bought it, it had really, really bald tires, and I think before he even had time to go get them changed, he rear-ended somebody. And so I went and looked at the damage, and they said, yeah, you know, it's available, but we didn't really talk prices. And then we needed a car to go drifting with, and then I was like, huh, maybe I should buy that M5. Maybe we can take it drifting in 2 days. How fun would that be? And they told me the price, and the price was $8,000 bucks. The only problem was I wasn't able to pop the hood and actually look at the extent of the damage, but I was like, for $8,000 bucks, the airbags didn't go off, why not just pick it up? So that's how much I got the original car for. That's an extremely good deal for the amount of damage that the car had and for the fact that it had airbags. And that was basically the guy that owned it giving me the exact same price that the insurance company was willing to give him. So car, $8,000 bucks. A couple days later, I get an email from somebody that has a parts car, and they're like, hey, come on over and get all these parts. And that was Brett that you guys met in the next episode later on. And oh, do I get to pass somebody? Da, 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 da. We got all those parts for $1,700. We got a very good deal on them, and it's always a great deal if you can go, you know, meet somebody that has a parts car and get parts from them. So we got all the parts for $1,700 bucks. Tires were $600. We had to buy all 4 new tires. Somebody commented and thought I bought used tires. I definitely did not buy used tires for this car. They're you know, new tires, $600. What else? We had to get a headlight because the parts car that we took it off of was pre-facelift. This car is post-facelift. It's one of the later years it was ever made. So the headlight actually cost us $800, which is kind of a bummer, but it's always definitely worth it to have the right headlight. What else is on there, Chelsea? Paint is the other thing. I'm only saying that's about $300 bucks. The first paint job was $200. The second one was about $250. So let's say it was like $300. What else? The spoiler was about $150 bucks. And there's one thing I'm forgetting. Oh, the radiator. We needed a new radiator for this car because I bought that before I bought the parts from the parts car. So I spent retail on that, and that was about $350 bucks. So all said and done, whatever the number is on the screen, I have no idea what the math of that is, but it's cheap. It's cheaper than you can find any M5 that is, you know, has airbags still and everything else like that on Craigslist or anywhere else. I mean, this car is a 2009 and it only has 100,000 miles and it obviously drives like a dream. So we're sub $12,000. So we built ourselves one cheap BMW M5. And I'm very happy about that. Can't come to the beach without going to the Pelican. Looks like it might be standing room only out there. I don't know. There's some sort of a race going on. I miss back in the day when I had time to run. I was really good at running. I haven't ran in years. Hey, that car just hit a trash can. Okay. Chelsea and I were just talking, are all beaches windy? Is that something to do with the ocean and the air not on the ocean, or is that just like a West Coast thing? Anyways, I learned how to surf on that beach right behind us. Next stop, we're gonna head down the street to the casino. Found a really big, really empty parking lot on the way to the casino. I think you guys know what needs to happen. Time for Chelsea to learn how to do donuts in her new car. Okay, e-brake off. You're in M Sport mode.
Oh.
Traction control off. Whatever that means. And yes, power. So it's pretty simple. We're gonna turn the wheel all the way to the left. Then we're gonna put it in first gear. We could probably, okay, that's first gear. And then the next step is you just floor it until the car spins out and spins around in circles, and then you keep your right foot down and keep flooring it so we keep going in circles.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Yeah, there you go, there you go. Keep going.
Oh, no, I didn't.
That guy didn't even look. He doesn't even give a single shit.
That was cool, okay.
Okay, so that's the idea. So it was actually decently quiet, so I think we'll be okay. So you do that, yeah, and let's just go around a couple times, okay?
Okay.
Well, you got it.
Okay.
Okay. All the way down to the floor. Yeah, now hold it there. Less, a little less.
The guy's watching.
Chelsea's redlining it. There, you got some tire smoke. Okay, drive us back into the center of the parking lot. I think Chelsea's got this, so I'm gonna stand outside and film her first full 360. There's $100 for the tires. You didn't hit me. You did good. You did good. You ready to go to the casino?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. It's a Chelsea parking job, not me. We made it to the destination, casino time, but B is for broke right now for reasons I will explain in the next episode. So, penny slots.
Nothing but penny slots.
And I got like $100, and I used to be a professional poker player, so I'm gonna see what I can do with that. Incoming thousandaire. Let's do this. 3 hours later, and I lost 3,000. I'm kidding. I lost $3. Don't gamble. Stay in school. Such a waste of time. All right, let's go to the hotel. Ready? Yeah. All right, babe. So you know how I said we were gonna stay at the hotel for the casino?
Yeah.
They were sold out of room.
Oh, where are we going?
We might have to rough it, but don't worry, because as soon as I figure out the trunk, I brought blankets.
Are we camping?
We might be camping. Okay, and where we're camping, they don't have food, so we gotta go to the grocery store first. I vote Tostino's pizza and spicy beef burritos.
Oh, it sounds like a nightmare. Let's do it.
That place we're going also doesn't have a bathroom, so I don't know if that's the best choice.
Wait, no, definitely not.
We need this.
Happy. Get up.
That's dinner. We're done here. Oh, it's $1.99 a pound.
Oh, it's gonna be like $40.
Can't afford that much jackfruit. What are they doing to us? Let's get out of here. Let's find our way to the B is for broke food if we could. Ooh, hot Takis. You guys said I ate like 11-year-old yesterday. Wait till tonight. Who came into the store and opened all the taquitos? Were you taste testing them?
Gosh.
Chelsea would like one unopened box. Just reach way deep in there. There's one in the back. This is happening. Got it. The last one. The last one. It's only cheese. Cheese, cheese, cheese. I have a theory what happened here is I think what happened is the snow came down in the city, and then the people at the beach panicked and bought all the burritos and frozen pizzas. Bought the store out, clean out. They're like, we need survival food. I like how they're orange.
I know, they're kind of...
Should we paint a car that color?
Absolutely not. It's the worst color on the world.
All right, we're stocked on food. Let's go get some beer and figure out where we're staying for the night. All right, Chelsea, we're here. Cabin G.
It's better than a tent.
Cabin dinner is served. Alright guys, well I think that is the end of the finale. I'm not really sure if this was a great finale or not, but that's what this car is for us and what it's going to be. I look at that car like it's kind of like a GT car, it's a grand touring car, it's something to do great long distance drives with. And then when you feel like it, you just flip a switch and go nuts and drive super fast through windy roads and do donuts and have 500 horsepower at your disposal and have fun V10 noises. And but it's also the same car that can take you out on an awesome random spontaneous camping in a cabin trip. Which, what was that sound? If you're a huge fan of this V10 platform and what we did here working on a European car, you won't have to wait long. I'm going to spoil the news that I am in love with the V10, and since Chelsea has one, I need to have one too. But I think it's just going to be in a bit of a different form. It might look a little bit different. It might not have 4 doors. But this E60 M5 V10 S85 platform is just something that I want badly. So I've got stuff in the works. I'm cooking up stuff. I'm trying to buy the right parts. I'm trying to get the right cars sourced to bring you guys a build that I think will be just amazing. I think it'll be amazing. I think it'll sound amazing, drive amazing, look amazing, all around just be a really, really cool build. So I'm working on that actively right now. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for all the support on this build. We're going to have some awesome stuff come up. Some really, really awesome news is coming tomorrow. Well, I'm going to film it tomorrow. It'll come out a day after tomorrow. And then we got a cool side project that we're doing real quick. And then we're going to jump on the new build. So lots of cool stuff coming at you really fast. Chelsea is just going to be driving this car in the meantime as her daily. As soon as the drag strip opens up, I really want to take her car out to the drag strip. We'll figure out the launch control and just have a blast with it. And we'll bring another car out there to race against it. I think the twin turbo Mustang being at 400 wheel horsepower versus a 500 wheel horsepower car, 500 crank horsepower car would be a really, really cool race because the Mustang is obviously lighter as well. So I'm really hoping to do that as soon as the drag strip opens. Anyways, I'm rambling. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for all the support. Really fun stuff coming soon. Please tune in for that. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And that's it. We had a wonderful night. We had a wonderful day. Really fun. Thank you guys for joining us so much. If you like BS for Build and you want to help out and support, head over to bsforbuild.com. And if you want to find us in more places, just find us on Facebook, Instagram, anywhere else. We're BS for Build on there. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you soon. Peace!